In this video, I will show you how to clear your cache and cookies on Mozilla Firefox so you can improve browser performance and fix any loading issues. To get started, as you can see, I've currently got Firefox opened, and what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three lines here which says Open Application Menu. Now from here, if you come down a bit, you want to click onto Settings, so you can see that's here. And once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto Privacy and Security. From here, scroll down, and what you want to do is look for cookies and site data. Underneath here, you're going to see an option to clear browsing data. Give this a click, and what it's going to do is open a window like this. Now from here, you can delete your cookies and cached files by ticking the boxes here. You can also delete your browsing and download history, as well as some other things as well. Now make sure to come up to the top, and where it says when, you want to click onto this drop down box to select how long you want to delete your cookies and cache files from. For example, the last hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or there's even an option for everything if you want to completely clear your cache and cookies from Mozilla Firefox. So once you've chosen your options, what you want to do is come and click the clear button at the bottom, and what it's going to do is clear your cookies and cache for your selected time period. So that's how to clear your cache and cookies on Mozilla Firefox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.